Hi guys! Today we are going to Baler, Aurora for a 2 days 1 night staycation. Baler is the capital of Aurora and is a popular surfing destination in the country, which means that the beaches here are big with waves. Baler takes more or less 5 hours of travel from Manila. We left at around 12 midnight and now it's almost daylight. Just a quick trivia, Baler came from the word balon, which refers to a native name for mountain pigeon or palomas montes that live in the sea. One of the things I like when traveling is getting lost in the scenery, and we are now treated with a scenic view of the mountains and sea of clouds. Let's enjoy the view! Before we head up to Baler, we drop by at the town of Maria to visit the balete tree. This balete tree is one of the biggest trees in the country and the biggest of its kind in Asia. Our next destination is the Ditumab Falls in San Luis, Aurora. Unfortunately, I was not able to push through and chose to stay here. The water here is so cold and is also perfect for swimming. Still, I missed marveling in the majestic beauty of the Mother Falls. After our side trip, we headed to Sabang Beach, a 2-kilometer strip of gray sand in Baler. The whole stretch has a mix of budget-friendly accommodation and pricey hotels. We arrived at past noon and the beach is quite calm. However, in the morning, the waves are huge and the water is quite murky because it rained. We still enjoyed getting hit with the waves though. We left at noon on the second day and headed up to our next destination, the Ermita Hill, one of the highest places in Baler where you will get to enjoy a panoramic view of Baler's pristine coastline and bay area. Point of interest here are the White Cross, Ermita Hill Chapel, and Tromba Marina sculpture, which reminds of the devastating tidal wave that hit the city. Then we headed to the Baler Hanging Bridge, which connects Barangay Tibang and Sabang. Built for local use, this bridge became popular thanks to its magnificent view of the clean river. Crossing this bridge is really fun. After the fun bridge crossing, we headed to Doña Aurora Aragon Quezon House. This is the birthplace of the First Lady of the Philippines during the Commonwealth government. We also dropped by the Baler Church, which is also called the last Spanish garrison in the Philippines, the Baler Central Park for a photo op, and Museo de Baler for a bit of history. And that concludes our Baler tour. Thanks for watching.